So by default, there are certain project capture settings and video render settings applied onto Adobe Premiere Elements by default. And if you want to go around and change it, then you can click on the gear icon right here. And over here in the capture settings area, you can select out the capture format. So in my case, I have the default one, but over here, you can go around and select out more if your hardware supports more capture format settings for videos that you capture directly inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So apart from that, you got the video renderer over here as well. So this is for the video render that happens when you're editing the video itself, when you preview them. So you can go around and change around the maximum bit depth, and you can optimize stills over here as well. So over here, you can see that I have the Mercury Playback Engine software only right here. So depending on the graphic card and so forth that you have, then this might be changed over here as well. You can go around and change around the settings right here according to your access over here in capture and video render area as well. And that is how you can access and change around the project capture settings and video render settings as you like for the settings that are available for you to change inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.